This mini handheld fan looks sleek and stylish, lightweight and easy to carry. As you can see, the size is smaller than an iPhone 12 phone and it's easy to fit in your pocket and your bags. If you want to use it, just click on this plus button for 2 seconds to power it on or power it off. The battery indicator keeps you upgraded, and also this mini fan it with 5 adjustable speed. Just click on plus button and the minus button to adjust it. At the level 5, you can enjoy ultra strong wind airflows. Very nice. Our mini fan also comes with a hanging hook. You can cross through from here, and then you can clip it to your bag or your belt for hand-free convenience anytime, anywhere. And our mini fan also comes with 3000 mAh battery. It can last up for 10 hours. Also comes with USB charging, so it makes it easy to power up anywhere, anytime. Our WSKEN pocket fan, if you're using, you can stay cool anytime, anywhere. Portable, powerful, and durable. The best summer gadget you must have. We also provide 118 days free replacement. Our mini fan, you deserve it.